Lily loved listening to stories, but lately everything sounded strange. Whenever someone spoke, she kept saying
A,
because she couldn't hear clearly. At school, her teacher asked, Lily, what is 2 plus 2?
A,
Lily replied, feeling confused. Her friend, Leah, said, Let's play on the train during recess.
A,
Lily asked again. Her mom took her to the doctor. The doctor looked into Lily's ears and said, Aha, there's lots of wax in here. The doctor gave Lily some eardrops and said, These will help. No more pain in your ears. A few days later, the wax was gone. Lily's ears felt clear. Now she could hear everything perfectly. At school, she happily joined Leah on the train. When her teacher asked, What is 2 plus 2? She smiled and answered, 4. Goodbye,
A.
she giggled, feeling like a brainy girl again.